study basic operations on the desktop. So in this we will study selecting and deselecting the icons. So to select the icons, first what you have to do, you have to simply select any icon, then it will be highlighted, then you can understand that it is selected. Then if you just move your cursor away from the icon, then the highlighted section will disappear. So this way you can understand that the text or the icon is deselected. So here we are studying about icons only. Next one is adjacent and selecting non-adjacent items. So for this adjacent items, first you have to how you can select, then you have to press shift key along with the last end key. Then for this selection of non-adjacent, you can hold down the control button, then you can click on the selected area. This way you can do your select adjacent and non-adjacent selection on items. See, there are many different methods of selecting text. In the coming topic, like in the next chapter also you will study about this only. So you have to remember this topic is like very important for you. So this selection and this adjacent method we studied. Now how you can open a program. So first method is just press enter key, the application window will come, double click your left mouse button on the icon, it will be opened, or you can press a start button, then in the run command will come, then that bottom of that start button option you can write, and then again you can press enter key, whatever you want to open that you write and you can press enter key. So we write it directly, so it is known as run command. So next one is arranging the desktop icons. See, this is a study table, it is arranged, so it is looking very neat and clean. So how we can arrange our desktop icons? See, first you right click on any blank area of your desktop. After you do this, the next step, see figure, you can see it, yellow color pointer is there, so it is selecting something. So you will when you go there, so another list of option will come in front of you. So when you go there, then this list open, then when you reach this option, then again one new sub menu will open in front of you. Then from these sub menu you have to see, first one is there, then second one has also opened. So from first one you have to take this view option, because we are arranging, so first we have to view, that in which form they are, then only we can arrange them. So when you do on view, then click auto arrange icons. See, so much things are there, many things are written. So when you do this, then you will observe the changes. Autocorrect, what it does, it automatically corrects the icons. See, if some icons are here and there, then it will shift it and it will make it in a honor, in a correct place. It is going to keep that, just like we are keeping our phone apps. So now what we can do, you have to do sorting of the icons. So how you can sort the desktop icons? See, many ways are there. So sorting means arranging them in a proper sequence. Anything, if it is in a proper sequence, of course it is looking good. So if we want to sort these icons, so for this what we can do, see, right click on the blank area of your taskbar. See, this type of menu will open in front of you. Everyone can see on your screen. Yes, can you see this? So now a shortcut menu will appear when you go to view, then one more shortcut menu will open in front of you. The other menu which opens in just on the side of the menu, that are known as sub menus. So when you see this shortcut menu opens, So point the sort by option and click on the name sub option. See, name is given, no, so here you can select name also, then item type also, and then date also. Like which form you select, in that form it is going to be sorted. So the icons will be arranged in an alphabetical order. Why in alphabetical order? Because we have selected, we have clicked on that name site, so that's why it is arranged